Hi, this is Patty with our training video number 9, and we are going to be going through how to build a slide that has your website in it. So we're going to go to our pages area and just click on our ad and go to blank page. We're going to start with a blank canvas completely because we're going to go to our apps on the left-hand side here. You're going to see there's a web page app. So I'm going to click on that icon. And by default, it always brings up the windows of New York. And I'm just going to put in the URL of one of our clients that we have. And I'm going to just click on that half circle. The name of the client is Robin Wellness. And you'll look over right below the URL address here as you can just expand that a little bit so you can zoom in on your website. You can also take these little handles down here and stretch the length down and tighten it up a little bit on the left-hand side. I think I'm going to take it down a little bit because I want a little bit more of my a little bit more of the website. I want to be able to see that. Let's just stretch it over a little bit tighter. Okay. Then we just position it up in the upper left-hand corner. And now you've got a full length of your website. What's really nice about this is that when people see your website, they'll recognize it from seeing it on your slide, or if they're on the computer looking for your office. So what I want to do on the right-hand side, I am really big on not leaving just white space. We're going to put a little bit of text over here. And my favorite is always Amaranth. It's nice and dark, and it's got a pretty font. So I'm just going to write welcome to our website. Oops. And I'm going to expand the text in size, stretch it down, and I'm going to center everything. And what I want to do here too is I'm going to add a little bit of animation so that when this page opens up, my text will come in. And I'll do a little bit of line spacing, but I think what we'll do is add a little bit of text laydown, and we'll put it at a ½ second, so as soon as the site opens up, or the page opens up rather. So then I also want to put on a QR code, and from our previous training, I talked about QR codes. People can scan it even right from your TV or your display with their cell phone, so that they can keep this information right into their right in their cell phone. So again, we're going to type in we just type in the URL for your website. So you'll notice right here, if you scan this with your phone, it'll come up with your website. So this is just really an easy way to grow recognition and brand recognition of your office clinic. So a very short tutorial, but I think it's a really powerful slide. So stay tuned for our next tutorial.